Advocate Sanjay Arya from Laxes and Company. Today I will discuss about the amendment of the Constitution 105. Thus, amendment come in 221. The Constitution 105 Constitution Amendment Act related State Government Act resorted state government power to repair and the socially and educationally backward classes. That as per the Supreme Court, the 102 Constitution Amendment Act applied that the state government did not have the authority to identify the socially and economically background classes. The 105, the amendment of Indian Constitution also stated that the National Commission for Backward Classes power and responsibility consultative or policy issue and honor did not apply to the independent state list. It is indicated that the state would not be required to counsel the National Commission to restore this power. The 105 Constitution Amendment has a power. And next is, what is a 105 Constitution Amendment Act? Actually, the 105 Amendment Act, Constitution 221, also known as the Constitution 105th Amendment Act, revived the power of the state government to identify socially economic backward classes or the socially educationally backward classes, including the community classes such as the CPSC or other backward classes for which the India state may be proud, especially focusing on affirmative steps. The 105 Amendment Act of Indian Constitution was signed into law by the President of India on 18 August 2021. The 105 Amendment Act UPSC notes, it may be 221, the Supreme Court has stated that the 102 Amendment Constitution 280 had drawn the power of state government to identify SEBC. The state had this authority for the many years and almost every nationally and regularly party summons as the amendment and restore cannot Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, House President and authority that the bill in the 3 days in the August 221 need for the 105 Constitution Amendment Act. Following are the reason why there was a need for the 105 Constitution Amendment Act. The Constitution has a given union and state to authority to mark the socially and educationally backward classes. However, when the 102 Constitution Amendment Act given a constitutional status to the National Commissions for the backward classes was passed, it was interpreted by the Supreme Court. The 102 Amendment had taken away the stated right to identity of SEBC. The key highlighted of 105 Amendment of Indian Constitution. This has come to the light when the month after the passing of the 102 Amendment, the Maharashtra government law granted the Marathon a socially and economic backward classes status was a changing in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court for the first time held that 102 amendment had taken away state power to recognize SEBC. The reason given by Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt is that the Parliament had added Article 342A with the combination of Article 366 and Article 338. The state now obliged to consult the NCBC and could not declare as socially, economically backward classes independently. In the 102 amendment had only inserted Article 338B. The power of identification of the socially and economically backward classes would have the remain with the state. Hence, there was a requirement for the modification in 105 Constitution Amendment Act. The and thank you so much, guys. I hope you like it. We come with a new videos and new session on the next video. And thank you so much.